Okie dokie. We're back in this little Indigo park. Still have a little fat, feathery friend over here. So, okie dokie. Alright, let's go. It's saved. Alright.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm up before we get into the bigger rides. Just pick it up at Molly's landing pad.
Alrighty. Well, so last episode we got attacked by the lion, and I'm starting to trust Rambley a little bit more. I don't know, man. He still weirds me out, man. Ooh, wait. No, 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 no. Okay, so jump, jump the table. Don't jump the table. Okay, that's fine too. He said go up top to something raceway. Oh, okay, okay. Uh, ooh, this looks interesting. What is this? Is this a video game? I like video games. Oh, wow, we're playing a video game. I'm way in a video game. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in the woods. Holy crap, that. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright. Ooh, there's like Super Mario. Oh, where's my double jump? Ah, okay, I'll go one more time. Hey, you stupid. Alright, collect all these strawberries. Wee! Oh shoot, was I supposed to? Oh no. Oh no, okay, okay, okay. There. Wow, wow, I'm too good at this game. I'm good at video games. What's that white thing? Oh shoot, she dead. No, she's not. She alive. Well, that's your fault. Looks like we made it crash right on target. Oh, is this the emo skunk? Is he a bad villain? Skunk. Nah. Nuh-uh. I was about I try a new potion on her instead. Try wasting it on squirrels. Molly, look out. Oh, too slow, dumpster face. That's great. What'd you do to her? You said it would improve Molly. Huh. Oh, Alright, so I'm fighting her. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, 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 okay. Yo. That's too easy. How do I jump on it? Yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. That's loud. That's loud. That loud. Oh, what the frick? Oh, what a neat collectible you got there. Dang, I can't get over that. La 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 la. Alright, going down the. Oh, right here. Rooftop races. What the? Rooftop racism is crazy. Alright.
Oh
Okay.
no, this is horrible.
What?
Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley is
Again?
the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Hmm.
Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
So much for an exhilarating ride. Wait, where was I supposed to go? Oh, landing pad. Wait, collectible. The dog. Alright, so we go to the landing pad. It's right there. Press the button. Alright. I'm not a kid. Why you put me here? Oh no. Why know that sound? It's about to be a puzzle. Alright. Okay, hold on. Green, blue, and purple. Gotta find which is what. Oh, and red and yellow. Hmm. What is that? Triangle. So I go in here? No. Rambley, you're not very much help. Hey, is that a ball? Well, okay, that was certainly eventful. What I do? God, am I stupid? I might be stupid. Um. Oh, shoot, I am stupid. Purple star. Okay. That is raccoon shaped, so. Oh, that opened. Guys, I swear I'm not this stupid. Yo, 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 yo! I wanna go. I'm going in here. Bro, she tried to eat me. I swear I'm not. I'm going down, 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 I'm going down. Survival instincts. Oh. Uh, we. Oh, is that pink or like pink's the star? Chat, hold on, chat. Let me go down. Let me see. Pink's the star. Okay, now I gotta go up here, I guess. Does that mean there's a big Rambley? Is Rambley gonna kill me? Yellow circle? Right, that's what that is. Yellow circle. Go ahead and do that then. Yellow is circle. So we need blue, green. And I think I know what those two are. I think this is gonna be a longer episode, so just stick around if you do so, please. And make sure you hit that like button for for me being stupid. Yo, yeah, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want more of this content. It's fun. Hold up, turn this down so I can get ahead of the competition. I thought, but now triangle is green. That means the last one's up here. Yo, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, watch these parkour skills. Ooh, and blue is star. Green is triangle, and blue is star. Wee! Yeah. Green is triangle, blue is star. Blue is star, green is triangle. Yep. How many stars? Two, three. There's like four stars, bro. That's crazy. Alright, we did it. I don't think I like this place. It's not very relaxing if I do say so myself. I was a giant bird. It looked like it wanted to give me some type of cancer. Alright, that's a bit. We let's okay. Don't grab my arm. is that? He's a big old bird. Yo, hey, what's up? Hey, come on. The one time my survival instincts didn't kick in. Well, I can repeat the words she hears. Don't be fooled. What? Oh no! Kill a bird. Yep. No, go away. I have no idea what you're saying, but I don't want to play. I don't want to. Parkour. Ugh. I have no idea where I am. Yikes! She bit me. She bit me. Wow. What an interesting character plot you are, Molly. Killing me without any remorse. Can I have some help, little help, Rambley? You wanna help your pal out, buddy? I mean, we homies, right? We homies. Right, bro, I came to your park and everything. Look how cool that looks, Chad. Not cool enough for me to say. Chad, am I trash? You're a stupid freak, you idiot. You stupid, ugly bird. Repeat this. Don't repeat that, actually. I'm not gonna say that, actually. No. Repeat the Logan Paul's apology video. All of it right now. Ah! Oh, yeah. That means I chose right the first time. No, I'm getting stuck on nothing. Stop that. You will burn in the flame of everlasting death. That means I go this way. I cross these. Bang, 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 bang. Go up here. And I jump. Okay, I don't make that. Either way, I don't think I make any of these. Ugh. Oh crap. Chat. Chat, I don't like this parrot. Chat, where's my little buzzy thing? Why am I saying chat like I'm streaming? Hold on, just let me get out of here. Oh my god. So give me the same point where she starts chasing, bro. You wanna know what you are, Molly? You're a stinky banana. Didn't like that one. Hey, I went down that slide for your information. Guys, I swear that this one is gonna be the last one. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing now. I had to get that shot for the thumbnail. You know what it is. You know what this be. It's thumbnail material. Watch now. Now watch. Watch me do it now. Check out this. Go, go, go! Stop getting stuck. The fire burns within me. None of that. Yay! Chat. Chat, I'm out of here. Okay, okay, okay,
Ah,
okay.
there you are, buddy.
No!
Wait, hold on. This one's staff only. Come on in, mister.
No!
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and. Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The
Oh
mascots
boy.
are. I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience.
I almost died.
But
Twice.
I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
Go
You
ahead.
must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm
I never
so
said that.
excited. Let's get this place back in
Rambley, what
business.
the Thanks for the save, I guess. Oh, well, that's the end of.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered, room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered, security room to set yourself free.
Rambley,
Kind of exhausting to say that whole
I
spiel.
can't make
Rambley's
this
Wranglers,
longer
registered,
than
is a
30
registered
minutes.
trademark.
Oh,
That expired
otherwise,
yesterday.
no one will watch. Okay, Rambley. Okay, well, it looks like we've become best friends. You saved my life. Twice, actually. You killed Molly. That was freaking hardcore. Bro, I thought I was about to die. She was getting too close. Rangers only. Me in here. Oh, I probably should have went the other way. I found a secret or something. We're gonna have to kill the lion too. We're killing everybody. I'm surprised you didn't kill the lion, bro. You had beef with him, Omega beef. Watch this bird still pop up and I'm gonna die and have to restart the whole thing again. It's not collectible. Huh. That was collectible. Yo! Yeah, 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 yeah. I did it. I did the Mario glitch. It feels good to be out there. Oh my god, I hate that bird the most. I don't like the bird the most. I don't like the bird. Glad she dead. Probably she didn't try to crash a plane into me.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Yo, hold on, hold on. How do we like meet up in real life? I need to dap you up, bro. You saved my life.
You'll find a
You
poker and
uh,
porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what life's beneath the surface.
no, 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 no. You're with me now. I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. I
Hey,
saw that. I
buddy.
don't want to deal with a
You
sea
okay?
monster.
You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself.
Yeah.
But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark,
Is this
stick
the?
around for the
Hold up.
Rambley review. I'm here
Oh
to offer
no.
my best to each
I think this
variable
is the
guest I
ending.
assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you
Yes.
satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you
No. Oh
want to
yeah. I
come
guess
back?
so.
Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about
No,
us?
you're not. You're not
Did I
getting one of
earn
my
your
friends.
trust?
Yes, actually,
At
you did.
Indigo Park, there is a stark
Yeah, I think
contrast
this is the
to
end. Look, it's
everything
credits.
I know this
Ah.
place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park,
I knew this was about to be
more
song
than my
two.
remarks are mysteries, even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is,
I guess I'm
if you
glad I
want to keep
finished this
going.
off.
Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you, it's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambley Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view
I
and
hope the next
assess
one's
each
actually true
valuable
too.
guest as I learn. And lots of
This is such
happy
a good game.
feedback ensures you're gonna return. Right, I'm so happy you rode a
I'm
ride.
definitely returning to
I'm
this
so
game if I
happy to
can.
be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark
I think
of
this is about to be like a
sunshine to
save
this kingdom's
spot type
faithful
thing. But I remember the hey, it saves automatically.
devotee.
This is
At Indigo
done.
Park,
We're done for.
more than my remarks are mysteries, even I don't know
Bruh.
what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left
You killed one of your friends, but
behind.
okay.
Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Oh my God. Thank you. Indigo Park is a full-on passion project that we're working on a little over a year now. The story and world that we want to create with Rambley and his friends is very special to us. Thank you for your support. Chapter 2 is now active in development. Keep an eye out on the social upcomings. No matter what happens, I hope you enjoyed. Say thanks for doing. All right. Well, so chapter 2, let's see. Well, that was a conclusive end to chapter 1. I have a few pointers and clicks. Like sometimes the gameplay was buggy. It did say small team of creators, and who am I to judge? I can't do something like this. But I mean, I did that Molly thing like 15 times before finally getting it straight. It's pretty dark, hard to navigate, but that's what makes it hard. It is a great game all around. 100% I support. And I think more games should be like this. Catch the strays, you other games. Uh, but without further ado, this was Indigo Part Chapter 1. Tell me if you'll want me to do Chapter 2. Maybe I'll do a Chapter 2. But make sure you support me any way you want. You don't even have to. It's whatever. It's free to subscribe and whatever. But I'll see you fellas either next game or if this thing is actually relatively old and the Chapter 2 is coming out. I'll see you in Chapter 2. Bye.